this clip, I'm going to recap some of the differences between paper animation and paper animation that has been digitally inked and painted. They're both very, very different aesthetics, and there's not one that is right or wrong. It really depends on the artist's choice and the aesthetic that you're going for, and it also depends on your familiarity with the tools and your preference for workflow. If you prefer to work more digitally, that's fine. It can take a lot of time. This is by no means an exhaustive explanation on digital ink and paint workflow. Really, it's best for those who are exploring what you can do with animation with traditional and digital technologies. Larger groups of animators, studios, will have their own workflow, their own proprietary tools and software and equipment. But those of us who have made the investment of the paper and the pencils and the computer and the software, these are some of the options for us. And it's pretty fun to explore it on our own. Some of the things you can do from here are continue with the ink and paint, add more depth, add more color, add more shading, more detail to your drawings, just as though animators would do 20 or 30 years ago before digital technology came along.